Orientation. 6 steps for orienting new workers. The first month in a new job can be a risky one, as these workers are 5 to 7 times more likely to be injured than experienced workers. A common misconception about the higher rate of injuries among new workers is that age is a factor. However, it has nothing to do with age. It's because the worker is new to the job and needs proper orientation and training to be safe and successful. As university, high school, and migrant workers flood into Ontario workplaces, take advantage of this timely opportunity to keep them safe. Claim rates drop sharply as new workers of any age gain experience, and a vital key to gaining experience is employee orientation. All workers, regardless of age, need the same level of orientation to a new job because they are facing possible new hazards or may encounter hazards that have changed or developed. Orientation sessions normally cover topics such as explanation of the function of the work unit, organizational relationships, administrative arrangements, various policies, and rules. When making a new hire, or when transferring an employee to a new role within the organization, consider the following 6 steps. Number 1. Take a look at the job itself. As an employer, even before you hire, assess the job and what it entails. What hazards will the worker be exposed to? Will certain situations prevent new risks? Are some tasks better reserved for more experienced workers? Number 2. Before the person starts a new position, provide effective health and safety orientation and training. Content possibilities could include the company's health and safety policy, responsibilities of the employer, supervisor, and worker, hazards in the workplace. Number 3. Make sure all workers know that no one is to perform any task until they have been trained to do so. Encourage workers to ask questions at any time, especially about safety. Demonstrate more than once. Number 4. Ensure the employer or supervisor is accessible, especially during orientation and training. Stay close, watch the worker perform the tasks, and correct any mistake. The worker may feel pressured to get it right the first time, so you can help by being patient, repeating instructions, and demonstrating procedures as often as necessary. Number 5. Ensure supervisors and managers monitor their workers. Take into consideration the amount of time allotted for each employee to absorb what they are learning and how to conduct their work safely and correctly. A new employee can absorb only a certain amount of information in the first few days, so provide a handout outlining the points covered in the orientation sessions. It can also serve as a checklist for the person conducting the orientation. Number 6. Soon after the orientation sessions, assess new workers on their understanding of the items discussed. In summary, while experience can only be gained through time, both health and safety education and job skills training can help to reduce the risk of injury among inexperienced workers.